Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining us on another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I'm your host, Esco the Trader. All right, so the Fed is talking this morning, pretty much from 9 to 10. Jerome is going to be speaking later on today. So we have possibly some volatility happening today. The market is kind of flat right now. We're trading in between the looks like we have some demand just below us, and we're currently in supply on both the SPY and the Q. I'm looking right now to play to the upside. SoFi, I'm looking to go long on them. They had great earnings. As you can see, they gapped up tremendously yesterday, and they're holding this $13 level pretty well. And then over here, I'm looking to play Macy's, eBay, and a Snapchat to the short side. So let's just give the market a minute or two and see what it's going to do. See if it's going to give us some direction, and then go from there. On my other screen, I'm also watching Uber and CVS. So just going to kind of chill right now. Give the market a couple minutes to get adjusted. See if it gives us a clear direction or a clear trend, and then trade it appropriately. Alright, so let's see what we got. SPY's already passed through the first demand zone. We have the second one that's getting ready to enter now. eBay's pulling down a little bit. I don't like it when the stocks tend to pull back on the first candle when the indices are going up. I feel that if they dump on the first candle, then they're wasting a lot of their selling exhaustion. Because then when the indices does start to come down, it's not going to have that much room to come down. And then when the indices starts to pull up, it's just going to spike and shoot upwards. This is what I thought I was going to see. I'm looking over here at Uber. Uber's kind of flushing. Yeah, this would have been a decent little pop here. I'm watching Snap. Snap is sitting right above its demand zone right now, so I'm kind of curious as to whether or not it's going to pop there. I'm watching SoFi up here, see if SoFi can hold this $13 level, give us a nice bounce. SPY is sitting on top of the 200. Qs are sitting directly under their 200. So let's see who's going to be the weaker out of the two. Alright, here goes the next candle. Watching SoFi. This is actually... There we go. Alright, expecting a lot of profit taken on SoFi, so let's see if they can hold that level. See if they can start making their way up. Alright, Snap is already in the demand. Not looking to trade that one. Watching eBay over here on the right hand side of the screen, looking to see what they're going to do. Alright, SoFi. This is a tough area because SoFi, we have profit taking from earnings. But then if they start to shoot up and SPY starts to shoot down, I think that can affect it from going up. SPY looks like it wants to come down a little bit more. Qs look weak. Alright, watching eBay. They're sitting pretty close to the demand, so I wouldn't be shocked if they decide to flush the market and push everything down into demand. I had Uber on my screen and I changed it to Macy's at the last minute, and as you can see, Macy's is ripping, so let's see if Macy's is going to end up tanking. Got some 24.5s. I'm going to have to change these to 25. Yeah, I'll have to change these to 25s. Alright, let's see if Macy's can give us a little bit of downside. Watching eBay here as it hits the moving averages. See if it starts to look a little weak. We getting a second rejection here. Qs are sitting at support. If they break this, they're definitely going to go down to demand. Snap and eBay, man. Look at these two. Godly. Two main ones I had, and I switched Uber at the last minute to Macy's. Alright, I like Snap here. Let me see if I can get Snap down. 37 puts. 37. These 37s look good. Let's see if we can get a pullback on Snap. How many contracts do I have? 10. I'm going to do 5 and 5. No, let me do 6 and 6. I think we have more downside on Snap. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump in there, see if we can get filled. Man, missed eBay. Paying attention to Snap, I missed eBay. Alright, we're in Snap. Damn, I missed eBay. Yeah, Uber and Snap were the two this morning. Definitely, they were the ones. Damn, missed eBay, man. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Just watching spying Qs. Snap is hitting 37. Yeah, eBay definitely. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get out of Snap right here before this thing just snaps back. Alright, I'm out of Snap. Just took a small, just took a little bit, just a little trim. It's a little lunch money this morning, nothing major. Uber was beautiful. Man, Uber was, damn. Uber was beautiful. Alright, I missed my entry on eBay. Let me cancel that. Let me cancel that. I missed my entry on eBay. Let's see, Macy's is up here at 25. Got a second rejection. Alright, I need to be smart about my next move. I need eBay to come back up here. eBay needs to come back up. I don't want to take it all the way down here. It's too far away from the moving averages. Macy's looks good, I'm not gonna lie. Macy's looks real good. Got a second rejection up here at the top. Almost like a tweezer top. Alright, Qs is starting to bounce here a little bit. Alright, quick little bounce on Qs. With them being this close to the demand, I don't see why they wouldn't want to go down. Alright, eBay on these $54 puts. I'm looking to possibly get in. The SPY is sitting on the 200, which is why I don't want to do anything right here. Alright, let me go in half size on eBay. I think I'm going to go 8. Oops. Let me see if I can get filled with 8. Alright, I'm going to go in half size here. See if I can get filled. I'm looking to get every... Alright, I'm in eBay right here at 54. I'm looking to get this rejection off of VWAP. See if we can take it back down. Qs look like they want to break and just fly straight down to the bottom. SPY is holding on top of the 200. So at this point, we're just going to have to see what the market's going to give us. SoFi, man, a lot of profit taking, but we're starting to create a base down here at 1230. Volume is starting to go down, so alright, we're getting a little bit of a pump here on eBay. I'll look to add again if we can reject off the 9. I'll let it come up a little bit and then I'll add another position. Alright, let it come up. Let it come up. See what we can get. All right. Oh, I missed that entry. Damn. I just tried to add another 8. All right. I'm in double size now. I'm in my full position. All right. eBay needs to come down now. All right. Let's see if the Qs can bring the market down. SPY is just sitting comfortably on top of the 200. I really need to see the Qs bring the SPY down below the 200. All right, eBay's coming down. Let's get ready to clear out of here. I think this is going to be the type of morning you just need to get your moves and get out. Qs just needs to come down. All right, there we go. There we go. Come up. Time to get out. Let's see if we can get filled. Time to get out. All right, putting the order through. Let's see if all right, I'm out. I'm out. So a little bit of chump change this morning, but the market is very choppy. So you definitely do not want to play this morning. Today is not the day. Today is not the day. I don't even know if I made $100. Let me see. 269. Okay, well, hey, I'll take it. I'll take the 269. Honestly, with the Fed speaking this morning, I don't want to play. That's it. That is it. Trading is over for us this morning. We're going to kind of sit back and wait to see what the Fed is going to say. Let me show you Uber. I had this on my watch. I literally had it and I changed it to Macy's at the look at this. Look at this, man. At the last minute, I said, man, Macy's. Let's see what Macy's is going to do. And as you can see, it just went to the upside. But I was looking at this. I had it up here. And I literally changed it like 5 minutes before the bell. I said to myself, yo, Macy's looks very weak this morning. But apparently not weak enough. So bad judgment call there. 269. We're good. 2 trades this morning. We're green. End of story. Market is choppy right now. Let's kind of just go through the watch list. I didn't expect this much profit taking on SoFi. This is like ridiculous. I don't know how much money they're trying to. I mean, they had a nice, look at this. Nice earnings. Look at this. Nice little rip up here. But damn, are they trying to give it all back? I mean, what's going on? They're literally at the bottom of my zone, starting to bounce here. Okay, here we go. Snap looks weak. Snap can make it back up to VWAP, the bottom of the zone, and reject and come back down. But again, the market, I don't know. That would be a good trade though. I would let it come back up here to the bottom of the zone and then push it back down to 37, probably about 37.85. My goal, honestly, would be 36.50, but 36.85 will probably be where I would take profits at if it came all the way back up. But yeah, this was the one right here. This and Snap and Uber were definitely the ones this morning. I just didn't like the fact that zone was right there, but it just flushed right through it like it wasn't even there. And then here I had the zone here at the bottom. You could see Uber just bounce right out of it. But this was a clean, this was, man, one of my perfect setups that I look forward to. I love this type of setup here. Nice quick pop, a rejection off the moving averages, and then boom, straight down. Same thing here. Straight pop, and then a nice flush down. Alright, I also had CVS up on the other side. CVS had a nice flush. Look at this. Nice flush off the bell straight down. Look at this. This is nasty. This is like a dollar flush in one candle. This was nasty. And as you can see, just rebounded and started heading to the upside. So I don't know if Snap is going to make its way back up here to the VWAP. If it did, again, that would be the trade. Let it come up to the VWAP, take the rejection, take it back down to 36.85, hold a runner. If it comes down quickly, hold some runners down to 36.50. Let's see how weak Uber's looking here. SPY and Q are literally making it through the first supply zone. If SPY clears the supply zone, it has about 75 cents of room before it hits the next one. So the market could continue to head up. Market could continue to head up. SPY's pulling back here just a little bit. Alright, Uber looks like it's starting to gain some strength. Snap is looking really weak. Let's see if it makes it back up to VWAP. Yeah, there we go. All right, SoFi starting to finally make its way up. It's gonna get slowed down up in this area though. All right, SPY's almost out of the zone. Qs are almost out of the zone. Let me pull that up so you guys can see if you're not already looking. All right, here's a SPY. It's almost out of the zone right here. Boom. All right. So if it clears that, it has a little bit of room up to the next zone. Clears that, a little bit of room up to the next zone. Oh, man. Here it was. This was the play I just told you. Come back up to VWAP. Catch it. Oh, man. Got distracted, y'all. Got distracted. But this was the play right up here. Boom. Right up to VWAP. 37.18. Catch it back down to 36.85. Came down to 36.87. Literally, like, I just called this out on live. That would have been a nasty little scalp right there. Market is kind of looking weak this morning, so I don't know. Let's see what eBay is doing. eBay, yeah, little pump. Yeah, this one here though, snap. Still got some decent volume. I don't know, man. If Snap comes back up and the market starts to tank, Snap could come back down, creating a bear flag, a very clean bear flag. Take this off and put this on here. This is an easy pattern to trade right here. Very easy. This is interesting. Macy's is just ripping this morning. Macy's said, "To hell with y'all, I'm out of here." I don't know. Let's see if it comes back up to VWAP. Take it back down. All right, let me just do a quick skim through the market, see how everything else is looking, and then we're gonna sign off. No reason for us to continue staying in the market. We're gonna grab our little 200 and be out. I was looking at safety this morning. I was looking at the banks this morning too. Yeah, look at that. Damn, man. We missed out on so much this morning. Wow. That's all I have to say. Everything is like creating a flag. Wow. I mean, you could have literally taken any play to the downside off the bell. Anything. Dollar Tree had nice earnings yesterday. I would expect them to continue to rally today. Oof. Who is this? Yeah, this is a nasty flag. This one is looking nasty. If it breaks this pivot right here, it's going down. This is iShares China. I guess this is like a Chinese S&P. This looks weak. Volume is going down. Decreasing volume right here, as you can see. Catch a rejection off of this 9. Half size here, half size at the VWAP. Catch it coming back down. PayPal. Kellogg's. What is going on here? Oof. What is going on here? Ooh. That looks nasty. Alright. There you go. Use the fib. You know what this means. Rejection right up in that 382. 382 to 0.5. Nasty. Yeah, this could be a good play. This could be a good play right here. Let's see. Get this right there. Give it a little bit of room. All right there. Maybe come down to about right here. All right. Well, I guess it's not waiting for nobody. Market is rejecting that second zone. This consolidation is good. You want to see consolidation like this after a very big move because it's going to pop in either direction. It's going to go up really hard or it's going to come down. Just think of this like a rubber band. And then at some point it's just going to go boom or boom. Alright, there's the move back up to the moving average right there. This would have been the entry. This would have been the entry to then take it to the downside if the market starts to pull back, which the SPY is pulling back. Q's not looking as weak. Alright, let's see if SPY can make a higher high in this supply zone. Yep, this would have been the entry right here, right at the top of this. Coming down 35 cents to 85. Yep, there it goes. See? Let's see if the SPY is going to come down a little bit more. Give you that 85, 87. It's at 94. Let's see what the SPY is going to do here. Q's looking a little bit weaker. Ah, there we go. Let's get another 10 cents out of Snap. Let's get another 8 cents. Let's get another 7 cents. 6 cents. 3 cents. Come on, give us the last 3, Snap. Ah, boo. Boo. Well, it gave us 2, so. But I mean, again, oh, there we go. There we go. You're just teasing us. So that was the play. Enter right here on VWAP. Boom. Catch it all the way down to 87, 85. It gave us 85, so you can't complain about that. It gave us 85. SoFi, I don't know. They're not, wow. Everybody's just taking profits this morning. Came down, created a bear flag, and it's starting to drop. So, oof, look at this. Nasty. Nasty. I told you it was going to make a big move up here or down here. I told you it was going to do that. This consolidation is like a rubber band. You see that? You already know. Got to look at the indices and see what they're doing. Oh, yeah, this would have been, oof, this would have been money. Okay, now look at this move up here. This move I set up, this is a rejection. This is a rejection to then take this to the downside. Let's see if this one's going to play out. I would enter a little bit higher. Basically do the same thing that Snap did. Enter up here, write it down either here or bring it all the way to the green line. But this will be my next play. Let's see what we're going to get out of this one. I would expect it to come up a little bit higher before it rejected. Just a little bit higher. But I probably would have started scaling in. If I would have seen this, let's say my position would have been 10 contracts, I would have entered 3 right here. Okay, there we go. So I would have let it come up a little bit higher, hit the 9. I would have probably entered another 3. And then left the last 4 if it actually came all the way up to the pivot. So right here I would be in 6 contracts and then I would just kind of wait to see. I'm looking at level 2 right now. It's kind of evenly stacked. But I'm thinking we can get a little bit of downside if the Qs decide to come back down to the 50. It's sitting at 344 right now. Alright, 343.98, 97. Let's see if we can get a little bit more downside out of this. Like I said, first target would be this white line. Second target would be this second line. SoFi, I guess they're not deciding to pump SoFi this morning. Everybody's just taking profit. Snap played out beautifully. Kellogg's is just kind of taking their sweet time here. I was hoping to see this right here. This is what I would want to see again happening right here. I mean, if you look at these 2 bars, this was a lot of momentum right here. Straight down, straight up. So let's see if we're going to get a little bit more downward move. Qs are coming down a little bit. Qs are coming down just a little bit. I want them to come down to the 50. If they can at least come down another 30, 40 cents, then I think Kellogg's can definitely make it down at least to the pivot. I mean, right now we got a little bit of lunch money, but, you know, it would be good if we can get another 15 cents out of this move. That would be awesome. We're approaching 10 o'clock right now. Alright, here goes Kellogg's. Let's see if this second candle is going to give us a little bit more. Alright, Qs are starting to bounce back a little bit. Come on, SPY. Help it out. Bring it down. SPY is sitting on top of the previous supply zone. All right, SPY looks a little weak. SPY looks a little weak. Come on, Kellogg's, you can make it. I'm not even in this trade. I'm just showing you. There we go. I'm just showing y'all the setup. There we go. There we go. See? Just a little bit more. Give me like another 5 cents. Give me another 5 cents. And this would have been a good trade. Another 5 cents. That's one of the things about these slow movers, man. You gotta have a little bit of patience with them because they don't move as fast as like your AMDs or Facebook or Nvidias. All right, boom. I would get out right here. I wouldn't even trip about these last 7 cents. I would get out right here. There's no. The volume right here is not going up, so this would make me want to get out. So I would take this little baby win. Let me see. I would have been in 6 contracts, so this probably would have been maybe another 80 to 100 bucks right here. It wouldn't have been my full position because it never came back up to the top. But I would rather have been safe and had a smaller size in case it went against me than to just jump in full size 10 contracts and then it just shoots against me. Then I'm down tremendously. See how it sprung back? So I would have gotten out right here. Like I said, 80 to 100 bucks on 6 contracts. That would have been fine. I would have ate on that. SPY looks like it wants to come down. Qs look like it wants to come down a little bit more. So if this was to spring back up here quickly, I would then jump in again and hit it again. Because the SPY and Qs look really weak right now. So I'm thinking they're probably going to end up bringing the market back down. So if this was to pop back up here a little bit higher, I would be confident to get in and just tag it again. Boom. Bring it back down. Oh, well, it's not. Damn, I was hoping it would pop back up real quickly. Yeah, there we go. I would hope it would have popped back up real quickly, hit that, and then boom, bring it right back down. All right, so as you can see, Snap made it all the way down to the pivot. Did real good over here. Like I said, rubber band. Either way, spring up hard, spring down hard, and it sprung down really, really hard. So I hope I taught y'all a little something this morning. Thank you so much for joining us on another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I'm your host, Esco the Trader. I wish everyone in here a wonderful morning. Remember to always trade what you see and not what you think. I'm getting ready to sign off. Expect some more choppiness this morning. Definitely expect some more choppiness this morning with the Fed speaking. Kellogg's did finally make it down to the pivot, so it's all good. All right, y'all. So signing off, 10 o'clock. You know how we like to have our nice 30-minute trade days. We are out. See you tomorrow.